Lukod na laban-laban ko. Patungo ko maros dahil patungan ka sa mulong ma. ESDM Class of 2023. Iyang pagi ay pampacuan papanan kati pacut yang kapangan kasabulan ranwat. Ara kacin kubra yang kap pacuan cungalin sa karatan kapang waw pang kubrang ko sa macay waw keketian lukoto labalap koros. Om pampalyan impal ketian ranwat yaw pa ay cungal sa karatan waw pang kubrang lukan langso. Banding katar labalap. Alright, so ang kawit kan and sapul machal government chicken when metal nim. Tumutun kinakap Rail miniminin so masakan. Nalupto kayo ng way metal nim. Boy chungal sa karatan kap ng wow choror pang kupra na chay chungal. Lukoto choror ong sa karatan kawit mapawiyaw ranwit. Mail Mepacuan kas keseburan wa cuma sekarang wow child chorus iyang child pam pacoyang kecil nanan son pacoyan nan Pompey State Anthem murin Pompey State Anthem acai pam pacoyang kecil nan lolo tekapaka Kata pacola. William Ketian Ramo Choluko yang Kapten Santos Song Lolo Chana.
Kacuan pagkakacailan lupa nung puran lolo kumain niya. Kaya chay kapit ran kaparan ng ramo. Kot kalangan, kot limpa, kot yeyas, metraki. Kalangan mako limpa kan sukaros. Kumita makot, mesong yapen mekaros. Irmakin kacing kasanay tiray o tapen kan sukan. Ranwat sam lakalap, teach penene office. School, sa chungalan kapeng bulatak pan kupromi. Pwede kita masansan pan kupuraramot. Sa kapeng giyang kumumain ko at kapalap. Pinwat, makanakalara rin, taken ka schoolwat. Met sang kupromo kalangan maing sang. Maing ko at kapalap, sa lukurwang kami o kaki. Kaya inirang kachin nilimeta, kasarawayala, kaway, programin ka sa pulin ramot. Kaway teach o kisang kids ang kaukan, mabasa ang koto po enantara karampa, tatok ka sa balin rangot. Asaraw yala mekaros, ni marm na naman na natin Jesus Christ. Amen.
Child Pacho Rakati, Kalanang Kupuran Captain Santos. Child Ban Pacho yung Katiang Anson sa Karatan Kasam. Uy Pacho Willianti Katian Ranwat. O Lukayang Tapalman Anuman Sonalang Talor Matanim PTA President Mr. Stuart Peñas.
Alangan tayo, lu kom kuguro yan ka. Muli ba baca yun ani cungan sakaratan pasom, tupuan kasamo sa baca yun luto kan ranwatch. I mean baca yun siyang dia cungan sakaratan wow, okay po ni bang kapuri sa baca yun. Biluya coach and coach akan chorus, non-marky kan. May kachin karong umaw. Non-marky kan. Kajawan ilga bachayang wawach nelelong rain kaitikan sama chay coach samorokan and momotso tor wawach o wawngi lugan lang so sumasakan na lupti kayo luisokan chorus na dilyang pachayang chay ra wawngi peliantan kan chorus na dilyang kach wasak sitran ilmen bonise ku wawach dirain William government kan sansan meran wat chalin ni yasani kogi congressman Lawrence Pacheng Chay honorable senator kan chorus ni yang Pacheng Chay ran wat yang agi William Pacheng kan menin chiang sap o mabil kayu kasampan mawya uch paray sabul maray taray chungal warang ilmen bonise ku wawach Pelagailap kan, liyoti kan, o penay kan baka basari kan, baka sa kasabul ranwach. May kach ng kasabulin ESDM school, pariya kit reisapsin. May bilkachin kukuray kich, napati ang kich kupramay, pwede mamiya masamay ng totoo kan ranwach, agmay din kak, kachin nang yang yanacho wasach, o may kach kiti ang wasach. May kach kita mang mau, o miya kawait, ako may kachin kawait kich, pasen kak kuyak cuma chechen totok, o kasabul kan may pacho. Ay match no majot may pacho wan William gidi, medal right sa rigan makasabul ra. Alangan war.
Kalanganan PTA President Mr. Stuart Peñas. Kati pacho tuwat pan pacho yang kaciyang nan Paulan kapeng kasapal kalangan yu. Hoy Williante ketua chunsak. O man chay lukayang rail me pachawan kas kasapul ranwat o nang pul pachot. kailangan ng kumay may pachoto. Child, pachuan ng rail ma, katya rail ma, yun lupulupan. Tuntuan ng rail kat kasapal kalangan. Child panan sugsit, pachoyang katya nan sakratan wulya panirail, may pachuan kas kasapal ranwat. Hoy pachuan wulyan tikat, pachotya ranwat. Lukaya manakap taban chain William. Oh nane tungal sakratan wulya pa. Child pachuan yang katya mayo lupulupong kasam.
Yang umune bantulan na ichungal sa karata. Ichungal wow pan bukan sama cai nila. Wan ke lukan lang so. Wan ke penawin bombi. Honorable Reed P. Hofer. Wan ke Director of Education Mr. Stanley Atse. Ligu wow watch bang bukan meninggal lagala. Ang way madaling Honorable Pumi Albert. Tigarang way madaling Honorable Tenson David. Kung gabung labalap ay madaling Honorable Jackson Lou. Torwa watch bang buran na alia madaling Thomas akanen duktu watch. Wow choror togo walya be madaling na momot Kach and Bombay State Legislator. Mon ko melal walya be election District 2 Honorable Quincy Lawrence. Wow watch ambil togo walya be TSP o walya be UNICEF. Yan sa watchay, ilay chungal sa karatang wow bambil to ka sa moro momot sokan. Isa walo sa matangan, palinay usap, umadal kumayarigan mayangas ka double ranch. Ranwach karang kasangsang o kalalig, o ang kitch kan magas ka double ranwach. Dibat pa jo way ranwach, kwego chuch o sawas masang kumay, paninigan kurus, madal kumay pabakan o nonokan, ang kitch magas ka double ranwach. Ang ray-ray sa bartwaw, sinanan siya kasanggap. Kanagala takayin ka school kayo. Diba siya lalayang ray, apala kayo maginalayang gitch. Nang kapal, absenan siyang center, luot niyang garabe silu. Sa iyo, saka ang kawalat, sumaluraman kan masachun malang ito. Keryaw, sabachuan niya melalan ito. Sabachuan niya, Tuan melalan Bombay kan. Intuan ay kan bacuan metene soje men Bombay kan jabi dah tu. आप सोचे खाने गए asilu nasabol machay bukan kawit ting chay samoin kan enter kamakare naikan mo naikan en pek yung tagakagisang o inkan araban kak murwari ni sanda mes mewewe ku mesarikan ban tampu idan na high school Tetokan marapan kapayada kaya lukuch. Nain ko, naging kamakaran pa ba no mahirapan ng siyang harap ko and mo wasarikan pa sa bigyong ra. O soje po na school dito tongka. Rasiluwach may nanang kakailay ligich na nirayrang ka school ang tarakan. Research ka dun sa kak uyayang kumay papa o nono kan pagkiyang may nansiyang turtan may isang koros kung nabadat chungalan may isang o suwas kaan koros yan suwoche may pininansin ako ano bang gich at isang ka school isang kaktatawang kinataroy school kan ikuwasan kawi o kung kalap kamor kong gich pelumaw kan mo na chikun masel sang ramay men mailen bajuan me pul mo o kuyta bukat soche ban wala mo tabanan chiyang achkak usenga kale dia urman kan mese urman ki inong yai kaping kalangan o pisopol o may samatang kan wag yang may kinin nan chiyang apalagi sangat celakun kel leleng antara school kan sangat semata akan isi kota del ping kawali mai kinen tau pila ka school gis na ranang ka school kan koros ni ren kar tu bau sama laro mai chungal kanang ama o ngedunget anda tok nabilalayang gis achkak pacho mo mai ranich Kacuan pun tertok laut dan buka makmai cungalin ki. Kecen saya sentok cik ap mai menta kila kue ki cuan school ban ang poida makmai kayu mon kila. Ay kabung cororong DSP program kue ki cuc makmai bisa wasa kis nambar which mainin lap nailen. Ay kabung cororong driver ni si wek yung bilkin so sige on tight and run school kan. Kalangan ni siguk wek yung bil kinapalima o sarikan koros tuwa chong chongal. Ari, may lulaw wan kilig ko sa bang jawan na skak koros besengkak kiyang dengan o kirtan bay and dim na child on language. Nandana kan nagas pacu mo. May rigan nagas kasabul ranwich. Kaya nandiyan ka na kaya takayan ka school kan koros wa child ko mo. Te wala mahal, apchay lang alis pinachi. Te sugat niya nga chay uraman kan, water mo ito ang megoch, and kalumachi ito kawela. Di chung school kan, masayik diyang kasabul kan. Ngayon siyang opik yung baba o no kan. Tumatak o chung tatawang kan, ak may pangya siro po ita o kirta mo ko. May chaman, makmal may pangya o daman lakap o gali. Tangan order.
Kalanganan komoy Mr. Tevenchen William Hong solicitor in actress magkumpatsuwaner. Puan kakan donti kosaneti autapen sakarata pocho. Apchay pangkatyan anawan kubra Israel makaskasapulkan pampatsuwan. Kamaleki coal pot marapampatsuyan lale. Pilkolin kapeng pot. kailangan ng kumain. May kakpacho. Dahil bang kecil pacoyang nan pilapot sa karacoro sang rail mapacuan kes kesebulranwat o mapang walian railakan yei penakap Jasmine Salma dahil kasamok mayo lopolopong tak.
Ladies and gentlemen, first and foremost, I would like to thank God Almighty for giving us strength and blessings for this special occasion. I would also like to take this opportunity to pay my respect to the traditional leaders, government leaders, religious leaders, parents, teachers, fellow graduates, and a beautiful and pleasant afternoon to all of you. Standing here in front of everybody, I have this feeling of pride and happiness, because I have proven to myself that I can be best of what I am only if I will try hard and have a sense of determination and perseverance. The theme is Endless Educational Commitments Ensure and Promote All Learning Capacities. Young as I am today, I can say that failures and trials should not be the reason for us to say no and never try to do something better. We will face problems in our 8 years journey, but we have to commit ourselves to pursue our learnings. Remember that this is not the end. We have to stand on our feet and move forward. My lovely mom and dad, thank you for your help and support that making me what I am today. Thank you for giving me the strength that I needed to follow my dreams. There were times when I gave up. It was you who walked with me to provide me the support I needed. I can never thank you enough. I'm so grateful to have you both in my life. You are the best parents anyone could ask for, and the success of my graduation is all yours today. My wonderful teachers, thank you for inspiring me to believe in myself and to never give up on my dreams. Thank you for being a shining light in my life and inspiring me to be the best version of myself. I want you to know that all your hard work, dedication, and passion for teaching are truly appreciated. To my fellow graduates, we end up one glorious chapter of our lives, and a new one will begin. New adventures, new friendships, new series of struggles, but the things we learned from ESDM Elementary School, let us keep stepping towards the fulfillments of our dreams. Along the way, we may meet a lot of trials, but our burning desire to reach our goals will keep us from straying or giving up. Along the way were many uncertainties, but the certain ideal of light will show us the right path to take. Remember that we are the children for today and tomorrow. I can say that today is hard, tomorrow will be worse, but the day after tomorrow will be sunshine. Fellow graduates, please stand. Let us thank God, therefore, for His unceasing grace and guidance, our teachers for their immeasurable dedication, our parents for their unconditional support all throughout these years, and our friends who walk along with us side by side. Keep in mind that what we do today can improve all of us tomorrow. Because of them, we were able to reach this endeavor. Because of them, we can truly say we made it. Let's clap our hands for all of them. Congratulations, fellow graduates. Hebrews chapter 11 verses 6 states, "Without faith it is impossible to please Him. To whoever would draw near to God must believe that He exists and that He rewards those who seek Him." I thank you all.
Kailangan ng Miss Jasmine Salomon. Ipatungulyan ketipatuti rango jangkak luka yang kapesepen sapul macain sakaratan kawit rango cope nagap Anne Marisena megampatuan ya kapese kesembal.
Ian, allow me to pay my tributes and respects to our honored guests in today's graduation commencements. Honored guests and ladies and gentlemen, bear with me for a few minutes to do the honors of introducing our keynote speaker of today's graduation commencements. The keynote speaker's educational background is as follows. For his primary and secondary educational years, the keynote speaker attended 7-Day Adventist High School and graduated with honors as class president and salutatorian in 1990. He then furthered his post-secondary education at Tokai International School and graduated with an associate's degree in liberal art in Honolulu, Hawaii in 1994. He later went into career field school in Honolulu and completed Bank of Hawaii Credit School in 2001. The keynote later went on to prestigious National Graduated School of Banking, Pacific Coast Banking School at the University of Washington in 2016 and graduated. For his employment history and journey, he starred at multitasking. How? In 1991 to 1993, his first job while in college, he was an account service correspondent at Sears Roebuck and Company in Honolulu, Hawaii. In 1993 to 1996, while in college, he also worked for First Hawaiian Bank in Honolulu in various capacities, ranging from an account correspondent to a service consultant. In 1996 to 2002, returning to Bombay, he worked for Bank of Hawaii in various capacities ranging from a computer conversion specialist, operations supervisor, credit analyst, and to a commercial loan officer. In 2002 to 2010, he worked for Bank of the FSM in various positions ranging from a credit manager, senior collection and recovery officer, and credit administrator. In 2010 to 2013, he joined Pacific Islands Development in Guam as a loan manager and expanded his services to the North Pacific region. In 2013 to 2022, he returned to Bank of the FSM as Vice President and Senior Lending Manager. While working for Bank of the FSM between 2016 to about 2021, he was also a Board of Director member at Bombay Utilities Corporation, BUC. Starting this year, 2023, he now assists in overseeing the operations of Bank of the FSM as Vice President and Head of Operations. Without further ado, honored guests, ladies and gentlemen, let's all welcome Mr. Antonio John for his long-awaited discourse.
Graduate Miss Amari Sena on introduction kasululuan. Iyang lain ko. Munay bantula, ichungol kapung, ang sabon na child coach, ichungol wautan, ukuran lutun langsung, Thomas Coros, Meningkater Honorable Yomi Albert, Congress-elect Quincy Lawrence, Kuya Ben Education, ang may warangkan Senator Akram, Senator Perez, Tabalap Chorus, Talian Chiak, Government o Momotso. O Karusien Bekat Sepasu Wasaksit. Membagita yan tola mo di Pachuan Y. Pwede Pacho ngay pipending yeta. Eriach Melomay Kupures. To our energetic principal, Mr. Ernest Santos, teachers, beloved parents, to all graduates of class of 2023, distinguished guests, friends, families, ladies and gentlemen. First and foremost, let me congratulate all the graduates of ESDM Elementary School. Graduates, you should know that your parents are very proud of you today. They have high hopes for you, and you are making them proud by showing what you can do. If you take a look at them now, they'd be smiling or taking photos at the moment. Today is an important day for you and for them. Today will be a good day for you to ask them for money. To the families of those graduating, congratulations to you, and you should know that your support through this process has made an important impact on the lives of these graduates. I am sure you are very proud of your graduates as they close this chapter in their lives and stand ready to open the next chapter in higher education. I remember when I was in grade school, I attended ESDM for a short period of time during my early days. When I moved to Pompey, unfortunately at that time, ESDM closed at that time. And I believe it was called Kinakap Elementary School. Because of the closure, I went to Salatak Elementary School. Despite walking the long distance after school, there's no complaints. I've made a lot of friends during that period. My dearest and late grandmother, Nonayaiko, was in fact also employed here many years ago as a cook. She made sure that students were well nourished during their schooling. At that time, the cafeteria, I would believe, would be right next to the NAS down here. I am sure she's smiling down on me today, knowing that after 3 or 4 decades later, her grandson returned to the school ground as a keynote speaker. So thank you, graduates, for giving me this opportunity. Time has certainly changed since. During those times when I was an 8th grader, not many homes in this area even have phones. If I wanted to talk to my cousin or friend in Naro or Talichik, I have to actually walk all the way to their house. Today, if you want to talk to your friends, you just pull out your cell phone and video chat with your friends without even leaving your home. So I want to take this time to explain your generation, the way. In the past, there has been emphasis on grouping generations by history. German period, Spanish period, Japanese period, Main German, Main Spain, Main Japan. Nowadays, generations are also categorized by technological history. My generation, or those born between 1965 to 1980, are called Generation X or Gen Xers. In relation to technology, we served as a bridge from the older population to the younger ones. We were present at the inception of the internet, video games, artificial intelligence, and we grew up as the computer revolution was unfolding. Those born between 1981 and 1996 are Generation Y, or popularly known as the Millennials. The Millennials came of age during the internet explosion. Your generation, graduates, is likely Generation Z, also known as Centennials. or those born between 1997 to 2012. This generation is notable for being the first generation to be totally immersed in the world of internet since birth. The iPad was invented in your generation. Members of your generation will more likely be more digitally literate compared to generations before. Around the world, your generation will be spending more time on electronic devices more than any other generations before you. So keep that in mind and manage that well. Malentekan do porki ang may kalapong online. As a banker, I would like to lead with some guidance on financial literacy. You are never too young to learn about your financial literacy, despite it being not part of your formal education. But you should try to learn about it informally. Your education in school is called formal education. An example of informal education is learning to ride a bike, or plant a yam, or learning from DIYs on YouTube. It's education you are doing normally taught in school. Financial literacy will teach you the things that you need that is necessary to survive. In coming years, especially if you one day decide to live abroad. Learning the difference between a debit card and a credit card. Learning how a credit score will impact your daily life should you decide to get a formal education or live in the US. Learning how to budget your income, your savings and expenses while you are in college or thereafter. These days, it is almost necessary to be financially literate to survive abroad, make a good living. It is tremendously relevant in this day and age. So remember this and be mindful of these centennials. You have the resources at your fingertips. Nowadays, only the strong is no longer the one who has the most muscles or the biggest family, but the one who has the most relevant information. Information is power. This will fit well with your theme right behind you. Endless education, commitments, ensures and promotes all learning capacities. So empower yourself every day through formal education and informal education. Lastly, I ask that you take this chance to dedicate yourself to make this next chapter in education even better. Study hard and remember that you are investing in yourself with every test you take and every book you read. And finally, don't be in a hurry to grow up. There will be great times ahead of you. Don't rush past them. Enjoy every minute of your youth. So congratulations to all of you graduates. Congratulations to the parents. Finally, congratulations to the principal, the teachers, and everyone else that helped these graduates reach today. May school pingkayukan, may nanchiyam kayu ansol korus. Dere man sa karata. Monipan Pachoti, you may introduce a many Jack Mega Yasilok Sang Lithium. Ito is a brilliant graduate sang ESDM ng 2010. Dari papagitan nilo kita tamasi share sa kaway itong graduates kan.
Thank you. What a beautiful day for graduation, huh? It's not that hot, huh? I want to pay respect to all the traditional leaders that are present here today, religious leaders, government leaders, and family of the graduates, and most importantly, graduates of 2020. If you guys don't mind, I would like to face this way because I am here today to talk to these young people. Thank you. Most of you probably do not know me. My name is Royce. I graduated here in 2010, May 25th. I was one of the fortunate students to have your principal, as I know him as Marty, as my teacher for 2 years. They were very memorable. It is with great pleasure and honor to be given this opportunity to come and speak to you today. First and foremost, let me congratulate each and every one of you for your incredible achievement. Have worked tirelessly, overcome countless obstacles, and show unwavering dedication to reach this pivotal moment. When I was proposed with this opportunity to come and speak before you, I thought about ways I can encourage you and every one of them. Thinking about inspirational, motivational quotes and Bible verses that I can share with you. Instead, today I want to bring you the experience of life, how life is after graduating from 8th grade, what you could expect to endure after graduating from ESDM. As you step out of those gates today, an old chapter will end and a new one will begin. For a new chapter of your life, you will be high school students. You will make new friends and may lose some. You will be faced with hardship and challenges that you will think it is too difficult to overcome. You will have accomplishments and you will have your failures. You will be faced with difficult decisions that will affect you for the rest of your life. When the 4 years comes to pass, you will close another chapter and open a new one all over again. After high school, you will be heading to college, and no, it does not get easier from there. You will continue to face with more hardship and more challenges. Opportunities will open and close for you. You will be faced with more difficult decisions that will determine how your life will turn out. Life will continue to go on as it is. The decision that you make in the coming years will determine what you become as you grow and mature. I say all this not to discourage you, to scare you, or bring you down. Life comes with obstacles. It is these obstacles that shapes and molds us to become what we are. Regardless of what you will go through, no matter how hard life knocks you down, always keep your head up. Always keep pushing forward and never quit. When life knocks you down, take a moment, gather yourself, dust off the dirt, and stand tall once again. To be successful, it takes a combination of hard work, determination, and willingness to step out of your comfort zone. Success is not an overnight achievement, but rather a result of consistent effort and perseverance. Shall you encounter failure, which you will, don't think that it's over. No. Embrace failure, for it is a natural part of life, and it is important to remember that it's not the end of the road. Failing can be tough, but it also presents an opportunity for growth and learning. There are countless of times in my military career that I thought about giving up, having to stay up in long, cold, rainy nights, having to march and run countless of miles, having to go through rough, vigorous training. I always think about giving up, but at every breaking point, I would keep my head up and tell myself, learn to embrace the challenges and obstacles you face in life, for they will help you grow and mold you to become stronger. Class of 2023, as you embark on your journey, I challenge you to strive for greatness. Strive every day to be better than yesterday. When you leave here today, your lives will change. I challenge you to go out there and do great things, which I have no doubt that you will. Kalangan and congratulations to the class of 2023.
Dahil pacuan yang ma beliau round of applause on juga or one juga o masin and kawit pacuan kawit. Kalangan yang nama tahu o mucungol mana ka puang kawit Child ban pachoyang nanan son kotan silko choror and paitan nan parent school. Oi bang walian tit pokonwat ketuat o lukayang menegatar labalap. Honorable Kumi Albert dan kakan Chapia Tamang pachowan tak kachkitak silkon paita. Dalban pachoyang pachotang silgon kapung o paita o lalukong. Kayun tarupan kapung pampachoyang Miss Jasmine Salomon. Karyang silgo pampachoyang Tapenchin William. Eyo pampachulangan Marisena. Eyo pampachulangan Shalipa Helgenberger. Eyo pampachulangan Krisa May Chan. Take your time. Eyo pampachulang E.J. Smith. Eyo pampachulang Anjini Fila. Eyo pampachulang Marston Helgenberger. Eyo pampachulang Matthew Mendiola. Okay, saglang silgon pwede na lalgon pampachulang Che Moramor. Kalanong kupuran maning katar labalap. Dahil pangkat lang pachulanan ang son patutan silgo pwede ng Chiak Mau. Oi pampachuan lukayang songko pong kalan ng kachkita pachuan tak silgong pwede ng Chiak Mau. Kayong silgon katete penpaitan ng Chiak Mau pampachulang Miss Jasmine Salomon. Eyo pampachulang Tapenchin William. Eyo pampachulangan Marisena. Eyo pampachulang Shaliba Helgenberger. Eyo pampachulang Che Moramor. Eyo pampachulang Anthony Villa. Okay, sakla pampachulang Krisa May Chan. Kailangan ng kuprensyon ko pong galing. Timen pachuan lukayang Senator Abraham Ong pachutang silkoon paitanan persep. Silgon katete penpaitan nan persep. Eyo pampachulan Jasmine Salomon. Eo pampachalan Stephen Shane William. Eo pampachalan Anne Marie Sen. Eo pampachalan Shaliba Helgenberger. Eo pampachalan Krista May Chan. Eo pampachalan E.J. Smith. Eo pampachalan Anthony Villa. Eo pampachalan Matthew Mendiola. Eo pampachalan Marston Helgenberger. Eo pampachalan Che Moramor. Okem Saklan Silgom Parsak pampachalan Cherik Lokan Chiban. Kalanganin Senator Abraham. Dahil kachkiyan Rael Mayo, kangen lopo-lopo nung Rael kan mapuitan. Ang sukset chay pampachalanan, pachutan silko. And puita choror kay may Rael chon school kan. And ESDM younger pachang sangon ka magchochoya. Permambiya Sam te inin serpukat mapampachuan papakairta Samo inon kupur mararata kita o pachuan sa kuspukat Kayun kisagis pampachulang Amira Irenius Queen Kapayo ayangay chawatak siyay and Pompey Studies Wayne Metanim at Chungalen Gitik Karyao Oyi Pachalang Pilsia Yote Ong Wayne Pompey at Chungalen Gitik Karyao Kupurmak Senator Lawrence kung kupur mararata mo sawas. Escalona Santos Pin Kapayo Yanga Choweta Siyain Wan Chuka Matalini Machungalan Gitik Kayo Oyi Tolulang Pompey State Level at Chungalan Gitik Kapayo Will teacher Helgenberger Queen Kalimao Yanga Choweta TI and Social Studies Nan Matalini Machungalan Gitik Karyao Oyi Pachola Yang State Chungalan Gitik Kasilu Pilwiyapan TI in Wan Chuga Maunga Chutatok Niya Yang Choweta at Chungalan Gitik Kapayo Pileo Pita Choror Pampacholam Verniel Kalen Niyayang Pachola o Yang CI Social Studies Queen Kono Matalinim at Chungalan Gitik KU o Wiliala Pilpachola State Chungalan Gitik Kasilu O pilsiyain wan chuka matilni machungalan kitik kayo o tululas siyayang state siyayan state at chungalan kitik kasilu. Child katiyama pachuanama eo lubulupon manakap na patukakota to. O kaim sakla pampachulan Jasmine Salmon Queen Kawalu ni yang chawata siyay linching at chungalan kitik kapayo niya skoro tana kupurma kaitan tana at pachuan percent walisa. Kailangan ng kupromi Senator Lawrence. Dahil palpachoyang sakis choror kay Isagis choror Riau Pachutan Seri Pachuan Salutatorian Actress o Felicitatorian Actress Eo Pachosang Waliapekan and Wayne Metalim nan Momot and Queen Gogosinit and Way Pokan and Pompey Eo Pachosang Irail Waliapekan local senator kan and look to kayo na Way Metalim Hoy Pachuan Lukayang Senator Madalim Senator Peñas and Kapachuan Taxil go kayo sakis kayo tuwa. Kevin Shane William. Bakang bang William. Kailangan ng Senator Peñas. Ong Felicitatorian Actress, ipapachuan lugayang local Senator Ernest Santos and Kakpachuanta. Ong Felicitatorian. Pampachula Miss Jasmine Salmon. Isagis choror yu mapachotang railong raik sarikan koros sang walyapekan el momoten meninchiensap luptikeyu nang wimetelni oy men pachuan lukayang Principal Amor kom sawas kita ma Kayong sagis pampachalan Krisame Chan. Jerick Logan Stephen. Matthew Mendiola. Anjini Villa. Marston Helgenberger. Shaliva Helgenberger. E.J. Smith. Taymor Amor. O Kim Sagla Anne Marine Sana. Miye program choror yu me supplement pompei kampan toro na pakmao kin pachowan kakang ki school kan harikchay chungalan ki supplement gyan sumawan kakan supplement kita chungalan kita sakis puita yu mapampacho sampalian junior police program hoy mampachowan lukayang Officer Martin and kak patak sakis choror. The Department of Public Safety Pompey State Government Achievement Award is awarded to Chamor Amor. The Department of Public Safety Achievement Award is awarded in recognition of success and accomplishment earned through dedication and commitment to achieve success. As a member of the Junior Police Program and a graduate of the ESDM Elementary School Class of 2023, it is with great honor to award you with the Department of Public Safety Achievement Award. Awarded and dated this 29th day of June 2023, signed by Major Brunson Martin, Training and Development Division of Police Executive DPS, signed by Mr. Patrick Carl, Director, Department of Public Safety, signed by Gabor Joel, Chief of Police, Division of Public and Security DPS, and signed by the Honorable Reed B. Oliver, Governor, Pompey State. Pachawan Luka Chamor Amor. Pilni Orchugocho, Autape Kauche, Silgo Chorogo, Tampachalang, E.J. Smith. Kailangan ng kuprong mayang officer. Child Kachia Railma, a round of applause on achievement Mamier Chorus. O Child Pangkat na patulan ang patutang silgo and katete pen neksang taka and primary education ng department. O ipachuan lukayang Lepenowa and Chapiata. Kachkita pachuan ta panlelwaywa katuwat pangkakomalekom. Chair Lokan Chipen. Anne-Marie Sena. Risa May Chan. Shaliba Helgenberger. Kailangan ng kupren lab. Congrats kache. Nay. Jasmine Salman. Matthew Mendiola. Marston Helgenberger. 7 Shane William. Seymour Amor. E.J. Smith. O Kemsakla Anjini Villa. Kailangan ng Kupuran Lab. Child Katkiya Railma, a round of applause on Katete Panarail, Pachawanera Red Waxing Cone Nixang. Ipan Pachawaliante Katilaput, Pachotilaput, or Lukayang Principal in School, watch and Kakan. Present the rail, Pachawankas Kasapulkan Ranwatch on Department. Ma'am, Principal Santos.
Kailangan MC. Kupura. Iyang laban-laban ko. Pagi uya papamen nan Chabul Material School in ESDM Gratuation. Kan patawan walianti kopata the officers papakan nono kan school wat John Queen wat unsap o rail son patarkan Tun silisak priya ketrisak silu dan wat ipatawan kasapuler irain ong traktorin school and ton pay koi pen walian dik child chorus or patawan lukayang waliape Mr. the Honorable Joshua Peñas and walian di option school o kachkita te patawan ta palok ong rail sarikan makasapul garot may tractor
Tangan principal. So, Congressman Honorable Abraham, Katian Ran with my cousin Kupure, Nishowar, Wegu Bukom, the Pato Yertoi, Pato Taki, my Walukan, my Patota. Sang the Kapukom, the Pato Yertoi, Pan Manaman in Director in Education. Ipatuan kalau kita mohon ketian ranwat o ketian wito tokonin don pay ay rail manakap kulupul o pinakap kulupul pukat kanakalar arail taken kaskul ng Queen Kawalu Elementary o kaker patulang ng taken high school ay patuan kasabul masa 1, 2, 3 Dahil katiran tayo na pala. Salamat.
Ang kasirin ha. Terus minta nanya.
Main kucing kupura. Iminyan pacuan programa dahil pacuan ti cungal wasaboy pacuan katu. Kadi bente kita o ngecek yang MC. Iban patawan tula kacang kacang sakartan wawan macam yang ermoy kuepi ermiayer bil kacu ingin kabung tu kacauan ranwat teman-teman prinsipal anoveresa nakapureta Prang cabita school wat niya sunatan kila ESDM kusang kena parliamentary school paculang ESDM school pacuan yang euran kenanan kelang kacau kun kasalita aramas magkarakara. Kuepan, murid ito nana, karakar ko tilaw lel kayong pa, iwasabang sorti, wasak kayong karakara. Pilkapin ko lapalabakan. Meron Senator, the floor leader of Congress, meron katar lapalap. O legislator ka na pilpatiyang kacay ramot. Perkakar, katete, mawasang ka sa bulat, ano wasti. Hey, ikasik menan parko koto kaka wastu wasa. Saya ban kacpene, patupene, tan. Pato mele di umbet, kaitan kapan. Kong William. Tentu na sang met wiya jungal kaping. Kong mele, napalaban koros magkacpene ranwat. Yang kawawi lang, kamumawi lang, kacpene ranwat. Pwede kacin kupure, pwede kupadala na siya. Kung ciptaan sa walang macay program, ini nakapang kita walang mail. Kupur mau, kanangamayang, kit simpuin wat mawawali ng kelo. Pilkapang ngayang, pero kaya nagpo sila ang pwede bilyangkat, option kap na, director, legislator kan, pwede sawas, magmayang kacin uyayang school, bisa kenyang kaya kiyakis dan parkos. Tapi ngayong agency kan nagkasang UNICEF, Department of Public Safety, TSP, program coro kayo bagay pacayang kits. Apa-apa li serikan patpatuan dong kaskul o kalkalaw tela rel toya. Kariyang manokela. Cungol kapung kumain. Yang so mata ke murcungalan kita buina lebih naik so kus. I serem kayon take nani ESDM. Yang ni so mata ke lelaki orang. Lo kaya ya udah. Kalau dengar kedua siapa? Itu yang kita gedang tinau cara tahu ya. Kalangan kumain. Ini misal nan entrance test berapa si pacawan Israel me kamen me cungalan titik yang sang wali sa klimaw o talil wali sa kwalo. Amen, mana kap coror men, may patpatro Hispana. Kailangan ng kumain ESDM graduating class tariya ke 3 section. Kaya na pulong tumray. Pilmiyang suwote men kapang kailangan ng zone patang koros. Melel. Kubatagang puwing kawalo. Yang amoy TSP tutor manti Chursan Rosario manti share tapi ngayang action kawait lampenin loka po tikan o yang isong batang koros magun nan jiran koros nan totok apal kataw pansin suwo kita kumain tayo mauraw di magcebang kotok cungal kaping toko penene Yusuf kan pagkapatkan P6 AH Karusian makatsto oyang kawawala sa pulmatay program ng ramot pasakan mas cungal kaping sotoliliyak sotop niyang sansaltak mail kupura kaping pilto ko'y kumail koros atay sumasakan kumail kaping lap tang kupura mail erere cungal sa karata o kalangan.
Kalangan ng Principal Santos.
Well, kupurma, ilat iyo kartay manukaya lago, matinay banta-banta. Kakay, sang rail, wali yapen matalinim kan dan memodin legislator, lagun pacang leadership in Wen Pombe. Men kacaman kim kecail, luka pe kacin apa-apa di. Men kacaman kim kecail, kectua junsak pacoto kan liara. Teban kecil na nususin. Pankon. Usus ka sa palong Pombe State kan na Unity and FSF. Uswatch in kasampal. Dan wat kulak riyaw, Senator Perez mo yung kagtap, kaya miya leadership meeting rabang pasoner. Pulpen niyare mo yung kakadisto sa bilpan pacowoy iten kumain. Kailangan ng kupur paros.
Kalangan ng Principal Santos. Ya, pacuan lukayang pakunwat chailan kakan sapalman kita program, sapali program. Wan sukset mon lolong rucingiti. Ay rail may pacuan nagsangay ESDM kan pancungalan kitaan sumaw. En kak kapesa rail kapung panet na rail cungal papanono tapang kupuran sa maray loy na rail kan. Derek Logo, no mucho ngalanza.
Yan, foto res. ¿Qué pasa?
Over all the years we have been
Pacuan
together.
slide. Kapel senyora lang.
Oh, it's hard to go. These days can't last forever. So we're here to say goodbye. Here for one last time. Before we step outside, there's a road ahead. It's calling us to new things, but we will not forget all the times we've had and everyone we've met. And this is our last memory, perhaps the greatest yet. Our farewell song. We are thankful for teachers who have guided. We are grateful for friends who stood beside us. So we're here to say goodbye. Here for one last time. Before we step outside, there's a road ahead. It's calling us to new things, but we will not forget all the times we've had and everyone we've met. And this is our last memory, perhaps the greatest yet. Our farewell song.
Anne-Marie Sena.
Farewell song. Goodbye, my friend. It's not the end. I'll see you again, but now it's time to go. Goodbye, my friend. It's not the end. I'll see you again, but now it's time to go. Goodbye, my friend. It's not the end. I'll see you again, but now it's time to go. Goodbye, my friend. It's not the end. I'll see you again, but now it's time to go. Over all the years we have been together, though it's hard to go, these days can't last forever. So we're here to say goodbye, here for one last time. Before we step outside, there's a road ahead. It's calling us to new things, but we will not forget all the times we've had and everyone we've met. And this is our last memory, perhaps the greatest yet, our farewell song. We are thankful for teachers who have guided. We are grateful for friends who stood beside us. So we're here to say goodbye, here for one last time. Before we step outside, there's a road ahead. It's calling us to new things, but we will not forget all the times we had and everyone we've met. And this is our last memory, perhaps the greatest yet, our farewell song. Our farewell song. Goodbye, my friend. It's not the end. I'll see you again, but now it's time to go. Goodbye, my friend. It's not the end. I'll see you again, but now it's time to go. Goodbye, my friend. It's not the end. I'll see you again, but now it's time to go. Goodbye, my friend. It's not the end. I'll see you again, but now it's time to go. Gonna step outside, there's a road ahead. It's calling us to new things, we will not forget all the times we had and everyone we've met. And this is our last memory, perhaps the greatest yet, our farewell song. Our farewell song. Goodbye, my friend. It's not the end. I'll see you again, and now it's time to go. Over all the years we have been together, though it's hard to go, these days can't last forever. So we're here to say goodbye, here for one last time. Before we step outside, there's a road ahead. It's calling us to new things, but we will not forget all the times we've had and everyone we've met. And this is our last memory, perhaps the greatest yet, our farewell song. We are thankful for teachers who have guided. We are grateful for friends who stood beside us. So we're here to say goodbye, here for one last time. Before we step outside, there's a road ahead. It's calling us to new things, but we will not forget all the times we had and everyone we've met. And this is our last memory, perhaps the greatest yet, our farewell song. Our farewell song. Goodbye, my friend. It's not the end. I'll see you again, but now it's time to go. Goodbye, my friend. It's not the end. I'll see you again, but now it's time to go. Goodbye, my friend. It's not the end. I'll see you again, but now it's time to go. Goodbye, my friend. It's not the end. I'll see you again, but now it's time to go. Gonna step outside, there's a road ahead.
You Mendiola.
It's calling us to new things. We will not forget all the times we had and everyone we've met. And this is our last memory, perhaps the greatest yet, our farewell song. Our farewell song. Goodbye, my friend. It's not the end. I'll see you again, but now it's time to go. Over all the years we have been together, though it's hard to go, these days can't last
Marston
forever.
El Campercar.
So we're here to say goodbye, here for one last time. Before we step outside, there's a road ahead. It's calling us to new things, but we will not forget all the times we've had and everyone we've met. And this is our last memory, perhaps the greatest yet, our farewell song. say goodbye. Here for one last time. Before we step outside, there's a road ahead. It's calling us to new things, but we will not forget all the times we had and everyone we've met. And this is our last memory, perhaps the greatest yet. Our farewell song. Our farewell song. Goodbye, my friend. It's not the end. I'll see you again, but now it's time to go. Goodbye, my friend. It's not the end. I'll see you again, but now it's time to go. Goodbye, my friend. It's not the end. I'll see you again, but now it's time to go. Goodbye, my friend. It's not the end. I'll see you again, but now it's time to go. Gonna step outside. There's a road ahead. It's calling us to new things. We will not forget all the times we had. And this is our last memory, perhaps the greatest yet. Our farewell song. Our farewell song. Goodbye, my friend. It's not the end. I'll see you again, but now it's time to go. Over all the years we have been together, though it's hard to go.
DJ Smith.
These days can't last forever. So here to say goodbye, here for one last time. Before we step outside, there's a road ahead. It's calling us to new things, but we will not forget all the times we've had and everyone we've met. And this is our last memory, perhaps the greatest yet. Our farewell song. We are thankful for teachers who have guided. We are grateful for friends who stand beside us. So we're here to say goodbye. Here for one last time. Before we step outside, there's a road ahead. It's calling us to new things, but we will not forget all the times we had and everyone we've met. And this is our last memory, perhaps the greatest yet. Our farewell song. Our farewell song. Goodbye, my friend. It's not the end. I'll see you again, but now it's time to go. Goodbye, my friend. It's not the end. I'll see you again, but now it's time to go. Goodbye, my friend. It's not the end. I'll see you again, but now it's time to go. Goodbye, my friend. It's not the end. I'll see you again, but now it's time to go. Gonna step outside. There's a road ahead. It's calling us to new things we will not forget. All the times we had and everyone we've learned. And this is our last memory, perhaps the greatest yet of the song. Goodbye, my friend. It's
Kalangan ng bromail, men pagitag chay ng kachkiyang ran ma ayo bilabang ko. Kalau chay program ngan Morris Wasin ranwat panerer oi pagi chay len pacho tak kachta pag chay yang kagan kachiyang nanulon sal macha reaching iti sal macha program oi pambachong William chay di olukay yang tiken Martin ong nanulon.
Child pacuan kapagap. Coach sama naman sa pulmumasan ang kapwaita rin naman kit na national program and ram. Nganin sa pulmumayeros sa pulmulimpak ang kakangkingkan nan mong yung naman kit. Kawit pacapat ang quote ngayon sa rawi. Ang kakan katakatakal, ling maranyo rin naman kit. Pasan kakan pusat sungod sila ko ipan kuprom. Ran choror kasang palwat maing sam. The party of pag-isapal marko pramawan, chipo, nagailakan. Bepatuan kam sa kalara rin sungod tagakaryawan kapag eksaksan kamarain. Bersapul mempramawan kapul tipon rana naman ray ni ray palo nila yung sapul mo nasin kau sa sapul mo muksak silbin pak rana naman ray pagkaway tinawag yan saraw yan kaching pramawi naman ray lo kikors nilang lang kapay saraw yan kot sam kot na o kot yan saraw iyang payat kapran patuan pose cumal papa kapag lapalapya pan kupran katokan koros sapul machail programmer o yet moment nampay na maliniyang nawaliyang kaman Irail na patuan nagsangar kan pan patuye puran kapuyare cumal ranmaw ir lapalapa ko may lukoto o kalapalapa yala kasarawir ranwat may kachinsan na namanan mula may kanta na may tungoy serkan dapat pan kalapakan pan uyawi kuprakan pan uyawi lampay pangkaway sapol mumusarapin kan